What's going on, everybody? In this video we're gonna go and collect money from 4 of our vending machines. Here it is empty, we got it all filled up. I'm not gonna get into the money until the very end. Not hardly any change in here. We're gonna get to this dollar bill acceptor. This thing is a pain to get out. I'm probably gonna replace it with an easier one. It had some nice weight to it. Nice stack of bills in there. See, it's hard to get it out and record at the same time. Hopefully soon I'll have somebody recording. Yeah, nice stack of bills here. Go to the drink machine. I did raise my bottled drinks to $2. I'd say it's probably about halfway full. Got a few things sold out. You can definitely tell the summer's here. Got it filled up nicely. More change than the snack machine. Still not much. See, this is the kind I want to replace the other dollar bill acceptor with. It's a lot easier. Had a nice stack of bills in this one as well. This is a 2-week collection, and I do have card sales as well. This is my second location. There's a lot of things empty here. The bottom 2 don't work. I'm going to have to change the motors in them. Not many coins in this one either. This dollar bill acceptor is pretty full. Like I said, I don't normally see this many bills in these machines, but it's been a pretty good 2 weeks. Nice stack of bills in here. I actually raised my prices on this drink machine today to $2. And it's about empty. Coke's definitely the best seller here. Go to the coins. Hardly anything in there. Basically a full dollar bill acceptor. This is the most money I've pulled out of this machine for sure. Like I said, this place normally is all card sales, so it's pretty surprising to see this amount of money in the bag. I'm gonna have it all counted up for you at the end. The total collected was $726.05. Like and follow for more.